For over a decade, residents in one North Philadelphia neighborhood had faced a selection of sugary, fatty foods at corner stores when shopping for groceries. A little over 2 years ago, the supermarket chain The Fresh Grocer opened in Sullivan Progress Plaza with aisles of fresh fruit and vegetables. Senior citizen Ruth Hayward is a resident of the neighborhood. She says the store is making an impact.
So when I heard that the Fresh Grocer was going to move in, I said, great, hallelujah, because now we'll have somewhere to go without having to travel or look for someone to take us somewhere.
The Fresh Grocer filled a vacancy in what is called a food desert, meaning an area that lacks access to fresh produce. The Progress Plaza property featured 2 former supermarkets, with the last one closing in 1996, explains Anita Chappelle, board secretary of the Progress Investment Associates.
We heard much concern from the neighborhood about the inconveniences among those folks who had no cars, and the seniors. Mom and pop stores flourished. They were quite pleased, but they still didn't have fresh grocery. They didn't have fresh produce.
A grocery store helps seniors balance proper nutrition on fixed incomes, says Frances Blakeney, a resident of Yorktown Arms Apartments, a senior residential community.
We continuously have people coming in talking about our health, talking about heart disease, talking about diabetes, talking about the ways that we can better take care of ourselves to live longer. With that in mind, when a senior especially goes to a store, you have this in mind. So therefore, the Fresh Grocer having those things for you, the 2 things work together.
According to the Philadelphia Department of Public Health, 70% of children living in North Philadelphia are overweight or obese, putting them at risk for diseases. The Fresh Grocer offers healthy lunch boxes as a replacement for unhealthy fast food, explains Carly Spross, the supermarket's marketing director.
When we put the healthy lunch boxes into that kids' corner, it was a test. And we tested it out at the Progress Plaza Fresh Grocer in North Philly. And we didn't know if they were going to sell. And we kind of crossed our fingers and hoped for the best. And not only did they sell, but they sold out. This is a community that if we can provide them with the healthy and affordable foods, that we have in store, but we can put it together in kind of a grab-and-go type of package so it's convenient, they're going to buy it, and it's contributing to the health of the community.
For example, a 24-foot drink case that has your traditional sodas and so forth in it, but it also has milk, orange juices, apple juices, real fruit juices, and so forth. And we explain on top the different levels.
That's Patrick Burns, the Fresh Grocer's CEO. He says the store has a mission to educate the public on healthy food options with store signage. Area hospitals are on board. Einstein Medical Center in North Philadelphia teamed with the Fresh Grocer. Carly Spross again.
Fresh Grocer has been working with Dr. Tina Phipps and her team at Einstein Medical Center for a few years now. We're working on something now that is providing dollar incentives to families based on their shopping baskets. And the more healthy items that they buy, the more incentives that they're receiving, in addition to nutritional education at Einstein.
With the Fresh Grocer just steps away from many residents' homes, healthy food is more affordable since people don't have transportation costs. They can walk to the store. And that's just what senior citizen Frances Blakeney does.
It is better for you. It's better for your health. So some people may say, well, it costs 5 cents more for some items in the Fresh Grocer. But think how much more you save down the line. But they have the kinds of food that people really need for a daily diet and for their nutrition. And that is very, very good.
In North Philadelphia and Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, this is Scott Hadfield reporting for AdvancedWeb.com.